and you have to throw it away. It's no good.
That's right.
Hey Mel, why are you so into hair extensions?
Because this is my hair. If I do some weird quirky shit, that's okay. Hi, I'm Melissa Proetti, the owner and founder of Baciami Hair Extensions. We are an international hair extension brand, wholesaling to hair salons, as well as offering education all around the world.
Hey Mel, I need 21-inch in Almost Onyx for Zoe to be sent out today for a client on Friday, but we don't have it. Could I price match and send the 23s?
Yeah, of course. That's no problem. We've got it in 23s?
Yeah. Okay.
So I had a lot of issues and I got to the point where I did not want to do it anymore. And just at the crunch time of me giving up is when I decided, no, I love this. I'm going to find the best hair and I'm going to originally just get hair for me to use. I've tried the good, I've tried the bad, and I've tried the ugly. And now we supply hair salons as well as customers all around Australia and New Zealand, as well as educating you on how to find the perfect match and apply hair extensions in your very own business. For me, the most important thing for Baciami is that we create a community and that you're no longer alone because you've got us. We custom create majority of our colours and we're constantly looking for innovative styles of extensions and colours that we can bring into the range because we don't sleep. Baciami never sleeps.